Next, we have to know first about the workspace on Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro has 6 main workspaces. The first one is the media browser, which is a panel where you can browse, preview, and import some media types into the panel. The second one is the source monitor. This panel shows you the preview of the media that you have selected in the media browser. The third one is the timeline panel. In this panel, you can create a sequence of clips and insert any media types like audio, video, text, or picture. The fourth one is the program monitor. This panel shows you the result of the video that you have edited in the timeline panel. The next one is tool panel. This panel has so many tools that you can use to edit the video later. And the last one is audio meters. This panel shows you the volume level of the audio. So that's the workspace on Adobe Premiere Pro.